Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install F124 game on your PC. Guys, first open up the any browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top, so just open it. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on the login option. And guys, here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is very simple and easy. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the F124. And guys, this game will appear on the top, so just open up the F124 game you are seeing on the first. And guys, here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. So just click on that option of add to cart and buy this game. Then click on the view my cart option and then click on the continue to payment. And guys, here just simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now the F124 game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the Steam library and on the left hand side, you will find this game which is the F124. Click on that, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.